How's Kevin this morning?
Really? Hoping for the worst. The shoulder, so we decided to peel the skin off the shoulder because we're going to build into here for his shoulder. And then we got the brainy idea to just peel it off, so we're just going to peel it off, see what the big guy looks like.
Yeah, you definitely see his bumps more.
Pretty level.
Hip. Pull it.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta grab the back here.
Back here.
Oh, okay. That size too.
You get it? That's what we did. We set the
caliper. So this one's not bad. This one is sticking up. So I would leave it, get this tack, get everything staying where it is, and we'll just push this one down with a block probably.
Yeah.
Just following that ridge really big. But the next one's round and we'll flatten that out too. Like those will flatten out as the next one goes on.
Yep.
Yeah.